Before you buy your first sewing machine, there's one thing no product page tells you: how frustrating it is when the needle jams every time you try to thread it, or the bobbin gets stuck mid-project. I've seen beginners give up because of these tiny but deal-breaking issues. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you the 5 machines that actually make starting out easy. Product number 1, Brother XM2701, simple and reliable. Let's start with the Brother XM2701. This white metal machine costs around $167 and looks basic, but don't let that fool you. What caught my attention is how beginner-friendly it really is, especially with its automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Threading a needle is one of the most annoying parts of learning to sew. The XM2701's automatic threader pushes the thread right through with a lever, no squinting or frustration. Plus, the drop-in bobbin sits securely so you won't have random thread jams halfway through a seam. It comes with 27 built-in stitches, including stretch and blind hem, which is more than enough for hemming pants, making simple dresses, or repairing clothes. And with 6 included feet, you're ready for zippers, buttonholes, and more right out of the box. Over 9,000 people bought this in the last month, and Brother includes lifetime support, call or chat anytime. Now, some people complained about the lack of a carrying handle, which makes it awkward to move around. Here's the thing though, it's lightweight at 12.6 pounds, so you can easily lift it with 2 hands. It's not meant to be portable, but if you're setting up in one spot, that's not a big deal. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, easy-to-use machine for everyday projects and don't need fancy digital features. Skip this one if you plan to travel with your machine often. For under $170, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 2, Brother CS7000X, a feature-packed upgrade. Now, if the XM2701's manual controls felt too basic, the Brother CS7000X takes a completely different approach. It's computerized, packed with features, and still beginner-friendly. Priced at $334, it's more expensive, but you get 70 built-in stitches, an LCD screen, and a wide table for quilting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The LCD display shows exactly which stitch you're selecting, so there's no guessing. The improved needle threader is even smoother than the XM2701's, and the jam-resistant bobbin works flawlessly. The metal frame keeps everything stable, and the large needle-to-arm space means you can sew quilts or large garments without struggling. It comes with 10 feet, including a quilting guide and a hard case for storage, something most beginners don't think they need until their machine gets dusty. Over 3,000 sold last month shows people trust it. Now, some people said the learning curve is steeper because of all the options. Here's the thing though, you don't have to use all 70 stitches. Start with straight and zigzag and explore more as you get comfortable. The manual is clear, and Brother's support team walks you through anything. This is perfect for you if you're serious about sewing long-term or want to try quilting. Skip this one if you just need occasional mending and don't want to spend over $300. It's pricey, but it's built to last years. Product number 3, RX Melee Mini, ultra portable and cheap. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for absolute beginners on a budget, the RX Melee Mini sewing machine at just $64. It's purple and white, runs on batteries or AC, and weighs only 2.4 kg. If you want something you can stash in a drawer and pull out for quick fixes, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's dual-powered, use 4 AA batteries when you're outdoors or don't have an outlet nearby. The foot pedal and hand switch give you control options, and the threading guide printed on the body helps avoid mistakes. It has 12 stitches and reverse function, which covers basic seams, hems, and even simple decor projects. The storage drawer holds bobbins and needles, which is surprisingly handy. Now, some people complained about weak stitching on thick fabrics like denim. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for heavy-duty work. It's perfect for lightweight cotton, linens, or fixing a torn seam. If you try to sew a backpack with it, yeah, it'll struggle, but that's not what it's built for. This is perfect for you if you're a student, live in a small space, or only sew occasionally. Skip this one if you plan to make clothes regularly or work with thick materials. For under $70, it's a fun, low-risk start. Product number 4, Brother CS5055 Mid-Range Power. Now, if the mini machine felt too limited, the Brother CS5055 strikes a sweet spot at $172. It's computerized like the CS7000X but more affordable, with 60 built-in stitches and a metal frame. If you want digital convenience without the high price, this is a smart middle ground. The LCD screen makes stitch selection visual and simple, and the fixed needle bar ensures straight, even stitches every time. It includes 7 feet and a trilingual manual, which is great if English isn't your first language. The larger workspace helps with bigger projects, and at 10.5 pounds, it's lighter than it looks. Now, some people said the plastic parts feel less durable. Here's the thing though, the frame is metal, which is what matters for stability. The plastic is on non-critical parts, so it won't break under normal use. Just don't drop it. This is perfect for you if you want to step up from basic machines but don't need quilting features. Skip this one if you already know you'll be making large quilts. It's a great balance of price and performance. Product number 5, Brother FB1757X Old School Simple. Finally, the Brother FB1757X is a mechanical machine at $128. No screen, no computer, just dials and knobs. It's heavier at nearly 15 pounds but built like a tank. If you want simplicity and don't trust fancy electronics, this one's for you. It has 17 stitches, a 4-step buttonhole, and LED lighting, which is plenty for beginners. The free arm helps with sleeves and cuffs, and the reverse button lets you lock seams. It's quiet and steady, great for late-night sewing. Now, some people said threading is manual and takes practice. Here's the thing though, that's how most vintage machines work, and once you get the hang of it, it's not hard. It's actually good practice for understanding how sewing works. This is perfect for you if you prefer tactile controls and want a machine that won't become obsolete. Skip this one if you hate reading manuals or want one-touch threading. For under $130, it's a solid, no-nonsense choice. So which one should you pick? The RX Melee Mini if you're on a tight budget and sew rarely. The Brother XM2701 for reliable, no-fuss everyday use. The CS5055 if you want digital features without overspending. The CS7000X if you're serious about growing your skills. And the FB1757X if you love simple, durable machines. Each has trade-offs, but all are great starts. Drop your questions below, I'll help you choose.